Okay, so now coming on to the most interesting part of this course, we'll now be seeing how we can start using VO 3.1, the Gemini's latest video generation model, for creating product commercials, UGC content, and animated videos. So first of all, before we dive into the video creation part, I would like to show you how you can set up the API key that will enable you to try this tool, because this is a paid tool. So this is a caveat that this is only a paid tool, but you can still use it and the cost isn't that much. So for example, if you generate 10 videos a day, it probably will cost you $2, $3 or less than that. So that's the average. So let's first of all set up the API key. So what you have to do is that you have to go here to aistudio.google.com and you can sign up with your Gmail account, and then by the way, you cannot use VO 3.1 in the traditional Gemini chat. You only have to use it inside Google AI Studio. So that's why we're here. Okay, so you have to go here to get API key. You have to go here to get API key. And then you can go here to create API key. And then you can name your key. So for example, I'm going to name my key as project. Then you can select a cloud project or create a project. So let's say I want to create a project. I can name it as course. Let's say I want to create a project for this course, and I can create a project. So once you've created a project, all your billing, all your usage details will be put inside this project, where you can track how much you're using it day by day. And then, it will enable you to see what you are creating and how much is it costing. Okay, so once we've created a project, I would go here to create a new key, and then we'll use this key to, create further videos. Okay, here it is. So I've already set up one key as a page here. I'm going to set this up for you. So what you have to do is that you have to go to set up billing, and then it will take you to Google Cloud Console, which is the place where, all the cloud apps and accessories and tools can be used from by, accessing the APIs. So we're going to use the API for VO 3. It's going to take me here to the dashboard, and it's going to ask me to set up billing. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay. So what you have to do now is that we have to link a billing account, right? So this billing account will be used to basically charge for the videos that you create. So we have to click on link a billing account. And once we click on it, it's going to take us. Okay, so here it is. It's asking me to set the billing account for project course. Now, I already created a billing account, so I can simply just select this and set the account, right? And once I set the account, it will simply redirect me back to the dashboard, where I can then see what billing accounts have I connected to this project. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here it is, and here we can see the total cost, where we can track how much we're using. So for example, if I want to see how much have I spent on video creation, you can see here that this is showing me the API cost. If we can look closely, it's around $50 that I spent last month generating videos. And this is the dashboard. We can track all your costs and everything else. So let's say that you have to set up a new account. How can we do that? So for that purpose, what you got to do is that you can go here and create a new account. So you can go here and you can go to manage accounts, and then we can create a new billing account. I'm just going to show you that. You can go here to create an account. Already one account is active for me, and here you can see that this account is active. We can create a new account, and then we can start using the VO3 model. Okay, so I click here on create account. And once I go here, it's going to take me to the create account page where I can create my billing account. So this is known as my billing account 3, and there's my country, there's my currency, and I can simply click on continue, and then it can work. So I'll click on continue, and it's going to save all my details. And from here, you can add your, your card details and your address and everything else. So it's going to redirect to setting up your billing profile. Okay, so you can see that my contact information and card information has already been added. you'll have to add your payment method and contact information from here and then submit and enable billing. So once you've done that, it's going to set up your billing account, and then, we can go back to the dashboard, and then from there we can see how does everything look. So once you set this up, you're pretty much done, and then you can start using VO3 inside Google AI Studio. So this was how you can set up your billing account. And once you're done with that, you can simply just go back to dashboard, and then from here we're going to resume and start creating the videos inside Google AI Studio. So let's see you in the next part.